Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Facebook account and going straight to Settings. That gives you the controls you need. Once done, open Settings and Privacy and tap Settings, then choose Privacy or Profile and Tagging depending on your interface. Make sure you use a device where you can see full menus. Desktop is easiest. You will be changing who can see your friends list, so proceed now to locate the specific friend list visibility option. You'll now change the visibility controls. In Privacy Settings, find the Friends List option labeled Who Can See Your Friends. Choose Friends to share with contacts, Only Me to hide, or Public to show everyone. If you want finer control, pick Custom. Once done, add specific people or friend lists to include or exclude. Make sure you save or confirm changes. Without saving, settings revert. After adjusting, check your profile as another user to verify the new visibility. Finish by verifying. Use View As or Profile View to confirm your friends list now appears or is hidden from chosen audiences. If the change didn't take effect, log out and back in, clear the app cache, or use desktop mode and repeat the steps. These actions resolve most sync issues. Also make sure any account restrictions or temporary Facebook updates aren't overriding privacy controls. If problems persist, review Facebook help within the app for account-specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.